Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add built-in 3D shapes like cubes and spheres in Godot engine. Perfect if you're just getting started with 3D game development. First, create a new scene. Click Scene, New Scene, and choose 3D Scene. This automatically adds a node 3D, which acts as the root of our 3D world. Now let's add a built-in 3D object. Click the plus icon to add a new node. Search for Mesh Instance 3D and add it as a child of the node 3D. With the Mesh Instance 3D selected, look in the inspector. Under Mesh, choose New BoxMesh. And just like that, you've got a 3D cube in your scene. You're not limited to cubes. Click the Mesh drop-down again and try SphereMesh, Cylinder Mesh, or Capsule Mesh. These are all built-in shapes and great for prototyping. Use the Move, Rotate, and Scale tools in the toolbar to position your object. You can also tweak the mesh size directly from the inspector for precise control. And that's how you add built-in 3D shapes in Godot. In the next videos, we'll add materials, lighting, and collisions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.